In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop users from joining your Discord server. Whether you're managing a small group of friends or a large gaming community, there are times when you need to put a pause on new members joining your server. Maybe you're reorganizing, tackling spam, or simply want to keep things private for a while. Whatever your reason, I've got you covered with a clear, step-by-step guide. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Discord. If it's been a minute since you've logged in, start by opening your favorite web browser and going to the official Discord website. Once there, you'll be greeted by the familiar dark-themed background and the option to log in. Now, let's log into your account. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Make sure it's the one you used to sign up for Discord. Fill it in carefully to avoid any typos that might prevent you from logging in successfully. Next up, you'll need to enter your password. Remember, your password is case sensitive, so ensure you're entering it exactly as you set it. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. There's always the option to reset it via the Forgot Your Password link. With your credentials filled in, it's time to click on that login button. This should take you straight to the Discord home if your details are correct. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially if your internet connection is a bit on the slower side. Give it a moment to process your login request. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the Discord home screen. This is your gateway to all the servers you're part of and your private messages. From here, you're going to want to navigate to the particular server you wish to manage. Scroll through your server list or use the search function to find it quickly, then click on it. With your server open, look for the server settings option. This is usually found by clicking on the server name at the top of the channel list. In the drop-down menu that appears, server settings should be clearly visible. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Inside server settings, you're going to look for the roles tab. This is where you can manage what members in your server can and cannot do. It's all about permissions here, and we're specifically interested in controlling who can invite new members to the server. Once you're in the roles section, you'll see an option for default permissions. Click on that. This area defines what actions a typical member without any specific roles can perform. We're focusing on the ability to create invites, which is essentially how new users can join if they receive an invite link. In the default permissions section, scroll down until you find Create Invite. This permission, when enabled, allows users to generate invite links. What you want to do is uncheck this option. By doing so, you prevent anyone who doesn't have a specific role with invite privileges from creating new invite links. And that's it. You've just configured your server to stop new users from joining by controlling the creation of invite links. Remember, this change affects all members under the default permissions. If you wish to allow certain users to invite new members, consider creating a special role with the Create Invite permission enabled and assign it to those users. It's important to review your server's needs periodically. Maybe in the future you'll want to open up your server again to new members. Simply follow these steps and re-enable the Create Invite option under default permissions. Lastly, managing a Discord server comes with a lot of responsibilities, and controlling the inflow of new members is just one aspect. Always remember to check in on your server's settings and roles, ensuring they meet the evolving needs of your community. I hope this guide was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials on Discord management and much more. Thanks for watching.